O te manatua mai a pailango pa ia malu nei a fifi. Ele sunga ile fonga o le tātou pō. Ai tau ia na o whatalu whatu. I pa ia malu o nei au fia. Ia, whaftaile alofa o le atua ua tau lau o le whamoe moe. O le tātou Faletupe o le BSP. Ia, mo le nei pō tā ua. Afioga ia tu le sunga le taitai o Saunoaga. Ia, ma Samoa i ona tūlanga whalupe ina. Au te manatu ona e whirongia le tātou madu. Ia, o le a whaua watu se whamatalanga i le ngana whapiritania. Thank you, BSP, for inviting all of us here tonight. Can I say that I'm greatly relieved that although you've changed your logo, you haven't changed your colors, which would have made it difficult, especially for our table. I think we win the green-colored table this evening. It gives me great pleasure as Prime Minister of Samoa to address this gathering this evening and to extend a warm welcome to the Bank South Pacific Financial Group Limited General Manager of Compliance, Ms. Narayan. This is your first visit to Samoa, and we do want to, through you, to offer our sincere congratulations to the Bank South Pacific for its rebrand we are launching here this evening. So it is a great honor to join you this evening to celebrate not only your success as high-value customers, but also the remarkable legacy of the Bank of the South Pacific in Samoa. For 47 years, this institution has been at the heart of our nation's financial landscape, serving individuals, businesses, and communities with excellence and dedication. A strong and resilient banking sector is essential for the prosperity of any country. Banks are not just financial institutions. They are the lifeblood of economic growth, driving investment, innovation, and stability. They provide the capital that fuels business, the finance to build homes, and the financial services that empower our people. For nearly half a century, Bank South Pacific has played a crucial role in shaping Samoa's economic development. It has stood as a pillar of trust, helping us grow businesses and create jobs, and today it remains one of the largest employers in Samoa and the Pacific. Your commitment to economic empowerment goes beyond banking. It extends into community investment, leaving a lasting impact on the lives of many. We commend Bank South Pacific for championing initiatives that uplift and empower our people. Your investment in youth development ensures that the next generation of Samoans has the skills, knowledge, and opportunities to succeed. Your support for women empowerment strengthens our nation by unlocking the full potential of half of our population. Through literacy and education programs, you are equipping people with the tools they need to thrive in a rapidly evolving world. And by standing against home-based violence, you are boldly helping to create a safer and more just society for all. The Samoan government values the partnership we share with the banking sector. We recognize that a strong economy is built on financial access to capital and investment. That is why we continue to work hand in hand with institutions like Bank South Pacific to create policies that foster growth, encourage innovation, and ensure financial inclusion for all Samoans. To our high-value customers here tonight, your success is a testament to your hard work and determination. It is also a reflection of the unwavering support and financial expertise provided by the Bank South Pacific. As you continue to grow and expand, your achievements contribute to the strength and prosperity of our nation. So as we celebrate Bank South Pacific's rich history and look ahead to an even brighter future, let us reaffirm our shared commitment to build a Samoa that is stronger, more prosperous, and filled with opportunity for all. Ia, ang le mai le atua, ma whamanuia, i le mamalu o le au balaulia, le komiti whaatonu, whaapere pūlenga, ma le au whengaruenga uma, le tātou Faletupe o le Pasefika I Saute. I wish this gathering a joyous and successful evening. Whaftai te lava, soifua.